Yeah, sure. Actually, I have a network problem, that's why. And sorry for that. But now I'm here, so I'm going to keep my point. I'll try to keep as many points as I can. So first we start from like why we actually need electric cars. So there are many reasons about it. First of all, that we imports in a very large amount, very large quantity crude oil from mid Asia, and that cost almost 320 billion maybe sometimes. So we can save that money if we have an electric car. Another thing is, normal vehicles in terms of electric vehicles, they cost more. They cost more in a maintenance. They are fuel is also costly. So all these things keep in mind. And another main reason is also pollution. Because normal vehicles, they create emission, they create air pollution, and also sometimes noise pollution as well. So these are some reasons which we definitely need electric vehicles. Now, uh, is India actually ready for electric vehicles? Yeah, sure. They are ready if there will be sufficient amount of supply, and in the market electric vehicles, people love to purchase it. We can take an example of, now there are three wheelers that are going on in the market, in the whole market, because you can see petrol, diesel, and petrol rickshaws are there, and there are also electric rickshaws. So it costs very less. The fuel cost of electric rickshaws and the fuel cost of petrol diesel rickshaws are too costly than normal ones. We can take example like, if uh, rickshaw cost 1 rupee, so if rickshaw, I mean fuel rickshaw cost 1 rupee, so electric rickshaw, they will cost maybe 16 paisa or 15 paisa, that kind of price. So in terms of choosing like fare, it is very low, which can be the reason. Another thing that comes like the cost of electric vehicles. Yeah, when it comes about cost, for nowadays, I don't think it is too costly. Yeah, it is costly because there are not too much supply, and also just because lithium ion batteries, because these lithium ion batteries are using nowadays in every field, and in electric vehicles it is not as much as that. And sometimes we are also not producing, we are not manufacturing lithium ion batteries, you know that's why it is costly. So uh, our government also working in this field to create some manufacturing sector in our own in India, so it can be less costly. But still, like whenever we purchase fuel or conventional vehicles, so in that vehicles, what we have to do, firstly we have to purchase, and then again we have to waste uh, our money on its maintenance and another part. But when it comes about electric vehicles, we have to just purchase one time, and we can charge it either at our home, or if there are charging stations available around the city. But now the problem with it, like the charging problem, definitely, because we can't arrange everywhere charging system. That's why sometimes if people will purchase it, so it is not easy to go very far. Why? Because maybe there are no any electrical charging system all around the city, or maybe far from city. So I think firstly what we can do, we can start from metro city. We can start from metro cities, because when we start from metro cities, there are also not a problem of electricity. There are 24 hours electricity available, so we can establish some charging stations, and it is very easy to start in metro cities. So we can start from there. We firstly we don't need to go rural areas or any another part. We can start from metro cities, and as as far as the demand will increase, we can go further. Okay. So I think this can be done. And one thing also we have to keep in mind that the battery must be kind of disposable. We have to also work in that field because batteries are too acidic and it destroys our soil or maybe wherever if we are throwing it, it is harmful for us as well. So we also need to work upon that. Now comes now we comes about government. So government, what they are doing, they are also giving some incentives to a person and a people who are purchasing two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler, like 10,000 incentives. So I'm incentive for two-wheeler and same like 50 to 1 lakh for four-wheeler and three-wheeler. It depends on how much battery they are using in their cars and rickshaws. So government have a great initiative about it. And when it comes about like when we will be totally rely on
Dependent.
electric vehicles, electric dependent. So I think like uh, our government also has announced that up to 2023 we will be totally, they totally want to three wheelers as a form of electric rickshaws, not in a that they are using petrol or like that. And also they have an aim to create two wheelers up to 2025, totally you know anyhow if it is possible. So they are trying to do it up to 2025. And maybe after that we will also start to totally rely maybe 2030 or maybe more. It will take to totally dependent on electric vehicles. But we can also do something more, like we can apply it in a public transport. We sometimes if we can't afford it, so firstly we can start from a public transport, because in the like metro city it is also one of the great problem, that is parking, and traffic. So if there is a public transport, people will share their uh, vehicles. So that is how maybe it will reduce also parking problem as well as traffic problem. So we can start from there. And yeah, I think this is all from my side for now. And if someone wants to ask a question, I will also give some more point. And also, there are many private companies like Tata and Mahindra and MG Nectar, I think
Yeah, exactly.
that is also right, MG. So they have started working on it. And there are like two-wheeler, four-wheeler and also a three-wheeler in the market. And the best part is also about it that uh, it is totally silent. It don't create noise uh, either outside or inside. So it is also good for our ear as well as for our air atmosphere. And as our friend Sandeep told us, it don't have any too much or too many moving parts like normal vehicles does have. So it will, so it's kind of, it it will go further. We don't need too much maintenance and we don't need money on it. So I think this is all from my side
I
for
want to
now.
I want to put one point that you all are thinking that we are moving for going towards the EV, but main problem is that anything which are any automobile companies which are producing EV currently electric vehicles, they are totally dependent on China. All parts are even lithium ion batteries which
Sorry.
are basically we all know that Indian
Yeah.
companies are producing like Tata, Mahindra, they are producing electrical vehicles. But main drawback is that
Mm-hmm.
they all are totally dependent on China. Everything, electronics parts and
Sure.
even motors and lithium ion, which is the main factor. In India, very less amount of lithium is present. So we can't use that much amount
Sure.
of to make a lithium ion battery. So we are totally dependent on other countries. So it's also one reason where we have to work. We have to become a self-dependent so that we can produce our
Self-dependent.
products. Yes,
Yeah.
self-dependent. It will make a like global face global face of India in the world. And second is second thing is that most of the cities is using, like Delhi is using EV
Hmm.
buses, and Tata has also produced this year electrical vehicle which is running with electricity. So EVs are the good, but we can also work towards the solar EV. It's a hybrid car.
Yeah, renewable energy.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Tata is, I don't know much about other companies, but Tata is also working on it, and he in about 1 to 2 years he will produce solar EV Nano. He's working on it. Basically,
Yeah.
main factor is efficiency. We are not getting too much amount of efficiency what we are expecting.
Hmm.
We can't go. So
Yeah.
it will be easy to use in a city. You can't go outside
Hmm.
with the help of EVs. So first we can make them available on the metropolitan cities where we can use it. With safely and easily. It will be easily accessible. After that we will work on the rural area. We can't totally change the our automobile sector with electrical vehicle, but about 60% to
But
70% we
we
can
can,
minimize. We
yeah,
can
right.
minimize it.
We can start, at least we can start, and wherever people will get, profit from it, they will also try to use it in a vast way. So,
Yes.
yeah, we can start
Demand
at
is
least
very low
because
currently.
starting, hmm,
Demand is very
yeah,
less currently
right,
because
you
they
are
are
right.
producing, but people are not inclined towards the EVs. That is the main problem. But it is the demand of the current situation, so they are
But
producing.
it is a future. These are a
It's a
future
future.
vehicles, and definitely, yeah, definitely
Up to
it will be one day
2030, I
because
think that about 60%
hmm,
public
more
transport
than
vehicle and public
more
transport
than
will be covered with electrical vehicle or solar EVs.
because because our transport minister Nitin Gadkari ji, they have also commitment about, they have also statement about it. We had to change anyhow, no matter what the cost is, but we have to change, and they have given such a statement. We will change. You know why? We will totally we are going to come with totally electric vehicles on the road instead of just petrol and diesel vehicles. He has a commitment about it, yeah, and everyone I think knows he's also a good minister in terms of anyone,
Yes, because
because
main
he has
problem with
done a
petrol
great,
diesel
great,
is it is the very
yeah.
petrol EV our transport or petrol diesel vehicle have a very great contribution in the carbon emission.
Hmm.
Basically,
And
they are the main factor.
today's news, I think everyone knows, yeah, right, and today's news, today's news, if you have listened, in Delhi diesel and petrol rate are same. So it is never had happened. Petrol and diesel rate are same. So
Mm.
you can see the example. Diesel is on also its peak now, and which is very costly.
After 15
So
years or 50 to 60 years, you will definitely see the impact. We are losing our renewable our biofuels or fossil fuels. So then
yeah.
will definitely it will be at
Hmm.
that time it will be our problem. So we will definitely move towards the EVs or solar EVs. So if you will realize
Sure.
the problem before our, so that it can't be extended. So we have to move some renewable
Hmm.
energies, electric vehicle. This is electric vehicle is also
Yeah.
using our resources, like if you are producing your electricity with the help of coals or other like coals and hydropower. So in which hydropower we are also using coals to make a string. So in that level it is using the renewable energy, but it is not using as much amount that we are using petrol or diesel vehicle.
Yeah.
So I think that's for all of my side, and it's after we have left only with less than 1 minute. So next day we will start with
Yeah.
new
Sure. So I
topic
think you
so
can.
that everyone can participate because it was totally technical topic. So I think that total all people will not contribute it too much. So next day we will talk like social issues. We will talk on the social issues so that all can participate. Okay. Okay, that's okay.
Yeah.